So I'm supposed to talk about my 6 year journey. So if I when I start talking about the journey, it's like a roller coaster ride. I have seen different time in these 6 years. Uh, if I start from the very beginning, the day I do remember when I was standing outside of my office. I was working in HCL Technologies and I was sharing this idea with one of my colleague. I won't say colleague, he was my senior, and he was keep asking, Nitin, you are planning something is going on in your mind, and I have to accept. Actually, something is there going in there in my mind, so I have to accept in front of him. Yes, I'm planning to start my own, for hardcore on. Although I'm running little bit about the what I should call it, the placement, the training and placement. Something is going on as well as with my job, but not in hardcore, not in complete manner. So there wasn't a time when I decided that I have to leave the job and I want to go completely into the this business perspective. I want to be an entrepreneur. So this wasn't a time when I shared this idea. So that guy was like, "Yes, you can try. You have the potential." I don't know what was the time and what was that era. I feel it that I want to go for it, and I started. And result is in front of you. Many things adjoined with this journey. Many things are running at back of my mind when I start talking about this 6 years of journey. Think about it. I was in a guy got rejected many times in many interviews. Then start joining. Then I joined a professional certificate. Somewhat I completed at a certain level, not the complete. Then finally I got a job as well. I was doing a good job. I was getting a good salary as well. But still something is lacking in me. So, and that was like the part. Actually, I got to know how to get a job because I'm the right guy. I'm the you, the person who has completed some certification, some degree. You have a certain degree. You have certain certifications with you, but you did not get a job. But I did it. You getting my point? I was not a very brilliant student in my school or college days, but I did it. I got a job at a very good level, at a very good salary package. So somewhere in back of my mind, something is running that I should go for it. And trust me, I started. Some people actually, it is not started with intentionally. Few of my colleague contact me and ask me for some help in the placement and all. Nitin, अगर तू place हो सकता है तो यार हम तो ही जाएंगे. This was an accord. I started. I helped my friends to get placed, then friends of friends, then relatives of friends. So after some time, it became a kind of a process, and I start loving it. I start love the people. They came with lot of issues, lot of problem in their life, all because of the job, not having a proper career. Actually, क्या है कि हमारे यहाँ ना guidance ही नहीं है. The most important thing that we have to work on is the guidance. So जैसे very early, I was very young, so I was start getting the knowledge. I was sitting with the very experienced people. Those are helping me to take my my business, my career into the next level. So I'm collecting the knowledge from everywhere and sharing with the others. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, no branding, nothing. No one knows till 2017. No one knows what is NG Networks. Even we don't have the proper name. We were named as an NG Nitin Goswami. कहाँ से बात हो रही है? नितिन गोस्वामी के ऑफिस से हो रही है. So previously we just running like randomly. बस अपना target था. There is a student looking for the job. He needs an assistant, so we provide them the assistant. We place many students. Just the only business we have is words of mouth. Total references, nothing else. Then later on, I realized when I was working, so I start getting a call from all over the India. People start asking for the help. So I decided, yeah, nahin, I should go for it. And I start NG. It was very difficult to start an office especially in India. Although the country is so beautiful in many things, but yes, difficulties are always there. I won't give the excuses, but yes, things are difficult here. I start from a shared office, then I move to my own. Things are different. We cross the states as well. Now we have an office in different states. So all these things brings many changes in me as well. I was a network engineer. I was a graduate guy. Now from this graduate guy to a network engineer to a businessman and entrepreneur, there's a lot to learn in between there. So I give my level best. I give many nights. I have to struggle a lot for this, and I did it. But end of the day, I'm happy because in this 6 years, I have placed hundred of students. I have counseled more than 10,000 candidates in a year. I have visited hundreds of colleges all over the India. And student likes me. They are like they love the way I counsel them. So this is the biggest achievement. When you start your career, your achievement, you want you want a sports car and a big house and many things that you have back of your mind is running when you start anything, when you want start earning. When you once you reach at a level then you will come to know, no, this is not the perfect satisfaction. ऐसा गीता में कहा है ना, this is all a materialism. So what the best you have is the satisfaction when someone appreciate your initiative. That is the best best satisfaction that you can ever have. So in this 6 years, thanks a lot for all of you, the parents, those they trust on me. They have something that this guy, a young guy, can help their children, their child to reach out at a right destination. And I'm amazed to see, because today we have lot of things to show in the market, the placement and many things, but in the very beginning day it is very difficult to ask someone that trust on us. So end of the day, I'm very thankful and I'm very feel very blessed to reach out this level. Nothing else. And end of the day, it is not possible without my parents and few friends and few family members as well. It is not possible, but still, I done it, and I strongly believe that you can also, if you decide something, so you should go for it and you can done it. Thank you very much to stay connected with me for this 6 years, and I'm waiting for many years. Thank you very much.